The wall ball squat exercise. The main muscles used in this exercise will be your quads, chest, glutes, back, and shoulders. To begin, choose the appropriate weighted ball and hold it in your hands. Stand about 2 feet in front of the wall with your feet hip-width apart and your toes slightly outward. Hold the ball at chest height and engage your core. Squat down until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Then drive your body up while tossing the ball at a vertical target about 8 to 12 feet high, keeping your arms extended. Catch the ball after it bounces, keeping the ball at chest height, and squat down to repeat the exercise. Try to avoid not keeping your eyes up, and avoid picking a ball that is too heavy.